Hey there, self-help enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a fascinating concept that can truly transform your life, the law of assumption. This isn't just another catchy phrase, it's a powerful tool that can help you manifest anything you desire. So, let's break it down. First, what is the law of assumption? Simply put, it's the idea that what you assume to be true will eventually become your reality. If you believe you're successful, healthy, or happy, your world will start to reflect those beliefs. It's not magic, it's psychology. Your mind shapes your world. So, how does it work? It all starts with your thoughts. When you consistently assume a certain outcome, your subconscious mind starts aligning your actions and decisions to make that outcome a reality. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it with positive thoughts, visualize the end result, and watch it grow, transforming into your desired reality. Now, let's talk about some practical techniques to apply this law in your daily life. First, practice visualization. Spend a few minutes every day picturing your desired outcome as if it has already happened. Feel the emotions associated with that success. This primes your brain to recognize opportunities that align with your goals. Second, affirmations. Use positive, present tense statements like, "I am successful" or "I am healthy." Repeat them daily. This helps rewire your subconscious mind to align with your assumptions. Lastly, act as if. Start behaving as if your goal is already achieved. If you assume you're confident, walk, talk, and make decisions like a confident person. This reinforces your assumption and accelerates manifestation. Now, let's hear some real-life success stories. Take Jim Carrey, for example. Before becoming a famous actor, he wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it for 5 years in the future. He visualized receiving that money, and eventually he did, for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Another inspiring story is Oprah Winfrey. She has talked about using the law of assumption to overcome obstacles and achieve her dreams, believing in her success long before it happened. But beware of common pitfalls. One major one is doubt. If you entertain doubts, you're essentially negating your assumptions. Stay consistent with your positive thoughts. Another pitfall is impatience. Remember, it's a process. Stay committed and patient. Your assumptions will manifest in their own time. So, there you have it. Mastering the law of assumption can revolutionize your life. Start applying these techniques today and watch your reality transform. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more transformative content. Until next time, keep assuming the best. Pursuing.